Sir, before you even get started, that umbrella's not going to be able to be right there. I'm sorry. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Thank you.
Competing on the track now will be heat 1 of 1. In lane 2, we had the Northside Striders. Pearland Track Express is in 3. The Wings Track Club A is in 4. Pearland Track Express in 5. The Wings Track Club in 6. And H-Town Hurricanes started off in lane 7.
Keeping the pack going. Striders, Pearland Track Express, and the Wings.
This will also be a combined relay. Competing for the Striders, we have Levels, Slater, Dion Fleen, and Navarro. For the Express, we have Wolf, Rondino, Bell, and Lewis. Wings, we have Tryon, McCaskill, Colbert, and Powell. For Pearland Express, it's Navarro, Williams, Gayton, and Gayton. That's Jeremy and Joshua Gayton. The Wings is a team of Smith. That's Braden and Bryson Smith, Colbert, and Eubanks. And for the Hurricanes, there's a team of Eldridge, Coleman, Freeman, and Mendoza.
There's already a battle. Pearland Track Express, H-Town Hurricanes. Wings in 3rd. Pearland Track Express stretching out the lead. Second lap.
Let me have your attention. This will be a final call for all remaining 4x800m relay teams. That's girls and boys, young women, young men. All remaining 4x800m relay teams. This is your final call.
Third leg is off and running. Pearland Track Express, still your leaders. H-Town Hurricanes close second. Moves are being made. This is the last lap of the third leg. It's okay to clap for them every time they run in front of you. It's okay. It's okay. They're not going to be mad. Go ahead and clap for them.
This will be the first call for 15 and 16-year-old girls shot put. First call, 15 and 16-year-old girls shot put.
And here come your leaders. H-Town Hurricanes, Pearland Track Express. We've got 2 laps to decide who's gonna get it. It's not going to be given to you. You got to work for it.
This will be your final call for 13-year-old girls discus. Final call, 13-year-old girls discus. This is the final call.
We now have 1 lap to decide our winner. Currently, Pearland Track Express, followed by the H-Town Hurricanes. Visitor side, you know what to do when they run past you. That sure is a lot of energy. Pearland Track Express. Finishing strong with an excellent time. H-Town Hurricanes right behind them.